Now let us discuss about botanical nomenclature and principles and rules. In the middle of 18th century, plants were named using many words. Some plants have some plants have been given a large number of popular names in different languages. In the system, lot of difficulties were faced as they were unsatisfactory and confusing. To solve this problem, binomial nomenclature was introduced. For the first time, a scientist, Ravinus, has used it, and afterward, Linnaeus established this system. Linnaeus, in his book named Species Plantarum, postulated that the name of every species of plant consists of only two words. The first word designating the genus and the second the particular species of that genus. Example: Pisum, Sativum, Mangifera indica, etc. The first word Pisum indicates genus of the plant, and the second word Sativum indicates its specific species. The second word of the plant name is known as specific epithet, and only by combining both these words the species of plant is formed, which is called binomial. In binomial system, the name of the plant includes two parts. That is, the first part implies generic name, and the second part specific name, which are written in Latin language. Generic name begins with capital letter, while the species name always begins with a small letter. Both genus and species are written in italics. For example, Pisum, Sativum, Mangifera indica, etc. Genera with similar characteristics are included in one family, and families in order, and likewise orders in class. Now, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, ICBN. In the year 1751, Linnaeus laid the foundation of International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, and while studying the principles of this system, published his book named Philosophia Botanica. In 1813, Augustine de Candolle provided significant work on nomenclature in his book entitled Theorie Elementaire de la Botanique. For the first time, International Botanical Congress was held at Paris in 1868. The main objective of this Congress was to modify the nomenclature in such a way that it could be applicable to all botanists working in different countries. After this, Alphonse de Candolle the son of Augustine de Candolle, gave his views and published them as Laws of Botanical Nomenclature. These laws are known as de Candolle's laws or Paris Code 1867. After this, International Botanical Congress made significant contribution in the field of plant nomenclature. In 1930, foundation of botanical history was laid down. System of plants naming were made to international after Lawrence in 1951. Principles of nomenclature as proposed by Cambridge Congress were modified with a change of time. International Code of Modern System of Plant Naming came into existence in the year 1968 and which got recognition in 1975 during the 12th 5th International Botanical Congress held at Leningrad, USSR. Accordingly, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature has been divided into three parts or sections: principles, rules, and recommendations. Now, principles. Principles are the basis of botanical nomenclature system. Six principles of this section. 1. Botanical nomenclature is independent of geological nomenclature. Second one, the name of the taxa is governed by the type of nomenclature. Third one, nomenclature of taxonomic groups depends on the priority of publication. Fourth one, according to law, every taxon has one correct name. Fifth one, the name of taxa are always written in Latin. Sixth one, nomenclature is governed by rules. Now, rules. Rules of nomenclature provide different points of naming the plant species. The names which do not follow the rules are not correct. Recommendations provided experimental utility of rules, and the main objectives of recommendations is to provide uniformity of code in future. Codes include appendices: Appendix 1, Appendix 2, Appendix 3. In Appendix 1, it includes the names of hybrids. In Appendix 2, nomina familiarum conservanda. It includes plants of those families which are conserved. In Appendix 3, nomina generica conservanda. In this, it includes those families which were conserved on the basis of priority against the principle.